how do you create campaigns to get more engagement on Instagram photos? Yes, it's possible. You can create Facebook campaigns with the goal of getting more engagement or comments on your Instagram picture. So how do you do it? I'm going to show you a quick demo in a second. Before we do that, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, let's jump right into this. So go to your Facebook Ads Manager. I'm logged into one of my Facebook ad accounts, and let's create a brand new campaign. So click on the create button, and then here are different objectives that are available to you. So it's really important that you pick the right objective, because based on your objective you will be able to create different campaigns. So for this, the objective that you want to select is the engagement objective, and you'll notice, and it's kind of like self-explanatory, if you want to drive traffic somewhere, let's say to your landing page, to your websites, then you will choose traffic objective. If you want to generate leads, if you want to, let's say, capture emails of people, then you would do a leads objective. In this example, we want engagement, and you can also read this here. So this objective is good for Messenger, let me go back, Instagram, WhatsApp, video views, post engagement. That's what we're looking for. We want an image post on Instagram. We want more engagement or more comments on that. So that's what we want. Also, it's good for conversion. So let's hit continue. And then I'm gonna just kind of call this test campaign. You don't have to worry about the categories. Well, actually you do, depending on if you are creating ads for credit, employment, housing, then you have to select, you have to disclose that. So in this example, I'm gonna skip all of that. So there are three steps: campaign, then the ad set, and then the ad levels. At the campaign level, you select your objective, then we're gonna click on next at the bottom. And the next is the audience. What's your audience that you wanna target? So, and then here, what's the conversion? So you want to make sure on your ad, so you get people to watch or interact with your post or event. So that's what you want to select, because all the other ones, it's going to be, you won't be able to, at the ad level, you will select the exact Instagram picture or a post. So if you don't select the right conversion location from here, you won't be able to select that. So you don't need Messenger apps. We're not sending people, or we're not getting people to engage with the website. No apps, no Facebook page. So it's gonna be on your ad, get people to watch a video or interact with your post or event. That's what we're doing. We're getting people to comment. We want people to interact or comment on our Instagram post. So select this. And then what's the type of engagement? So we want post engagement. That's another thing. Don't select video views. We want post engagement, because remember, what's the goal? The goal is we have Instagram picture or a post, and we want people to comment on that. So select that. And then whatever your daily budget is, you can go as low as a couple of dollars a day, depending on whatever budget you have. Select that. And also, do you want this to run continuously, or you want an end date to that? You can select that. Now this is extremely important, so I'm going to leave this blank for now, but make sure you select the right audience. So if your audience is teenagers, Gen Z, then select those. If your audience is people into fashion, then select those. If your audience is B2B people, then make sure you select those. So I'm going to leave this blank for now for for this example. Scroll down. Now here's another thing. In the placement, you want to select manual placement. Again, what's the goal? The goal is to Instagram picture, we want people to comment, right? So no Facebook, no audience network, so just Instagram. That's what we want. And then scroll down, and then here are other placements. So yes, we want feed, Instagram Explore, that's good. Instagram stories, Instagram reels, that's also good. So make sure you select the right placement. All right, so once you do that, you're gonna hit next. So now we are at step number 3. So step number 1 was we selected the campaign objective or the goal. Step number 2, we defined our audience and also the placement and the budget in the ad set level. And step number 3 is the ad. So this is where we're gonna select that Instagram post or the Instagram picture on which we want more comments or engagement, right? So I'm just gonna say ad test. Now, actually, another important thing, before you create these ads using Facebook Ads Manager, so make sure your Instagram account and Facebook page, they are connected. You can do it through the mobile app. You can also do it to your Instagram page settings. By the way, if you don't know how to do it, let me know in the comments and I can create a separate video on that. But make sure your Facebook page and your Instagram page are connected, because otherwise you won't be able to do this. You won't be able to see this, right? So for example, I'm going to use this page, Ventura Broadcasting, and here's the Instagram account that's connected to that page. Ad setup, we're going to use existing post, right? The post is already there. And now let's click on select post. So in the select post area, instead of Facebook, move over to Instagram. And now here are all the posts that I can select, right? Some of these are not available because these are videos or stories. So for example, let's just pick this image right here. So we want more comments on this. So continue. And then you can, if you want, you can add different buttons that you on it. Get code, learn more, totally up to you. And then on this side, you'll see what your ad is going to look like. So here's my Instagram account. Here's the picture or the photo that I want more engagement or comments on, right? All right. So once you are done with the campaign objective, then the ad set, and then the actual ad, make sure you review everything and then hit on publish, and then your Instagram ad will go to the approval process. Sometimes it takes a couple of hours. Sometimes if this is the first time you're creating the ad, it can take longer, even a day in some cases. But this is how you can use Facebook's ad manager to create ad campaigns with the goal of getting more comments on the Instagram photos. Now, one key thing you want to remember, make sure you select the right type of audience. Because let's say for my post, my Instagram content is about fashion, but if I don't select the right audience, then that's a mismatch. Those people who might see my ad, I'm gonna spend money. Facebook ads is gonna run, Instagram ads is gonna run, my budget is gonna be spent, but I may not get the engagement. So make sure the content that you have and the audience, the people that you show those ads to, it needs to match. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.